Are you tired of robot vacuums that just push dirt around, or worse, use the exact same dirty mop pad for your bathroom and your kitchen? In this video, I partnered with Dreame to take a look at the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. Dreame is calling this the Mop Magic Zone Master, and for good reason. This features an industry-first base station with automatic mop replacement, giving you dedicated mop zones for different areas of your house. We've got a lot of ground to cover. Let's go ahead and get started. Inside the box, you're getting the robot itself, the multifunctional power dock, 3 totally different types of mop pads, and 3 different cleaning solutions. This completely changes the way a robot vacuum handles different floors in your house. The absolute most mind-blowing feature here is the industry-first base station with automatic mop replacement. The Matrix10 Pro holds up to 3 pairs of mops in the base station and automatically switches them out depending on the room it's cleaning. Let's talk about the kitchen first. It uses powerful stain removal mop pads specifically designed for tough messes. To really put it to the test, I smeared butter and cooking grease right onto the floor. The Matrix10 Pro powered right through it, breaking down the oils and leaving the tile completely slick-free. But you definitely wouldn't want to drag those greasy mop pads into your bathroom, so it heads back to the dock, drops the kitchen pads, and picks up highly absorbent sponge mop pads. I poured water right next to the bathtub to simulate those puddles you get after a shower, and the sponge pads soaked it all up effortlessly, handling the moisture and preventing bacterial growth. Finally, for your everyday areas like the living room and study, it switches over to mop pads for everyday use. To match those different mop pads, it features new multi-function triple cleaning solution tanks. You can load it up with a floor cleaning solution, a pet odor removal solution, and a wood floor care solution. The robot's smart enough to apply the right solution for the right room. This completely eliminates the old single cleaning mode we're used to and takes customized cleaning to a whole new level. Out on the floor, the dual Omni Scrub mopping system uses a full direction 10-degree tilt and an up and down float of 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. This means it maintains perfect contact even if your hard floors are slightly uneven. But what happens when those mops get dirty? The base station features 212 degree Fahrenheit temperature mop washing or 100 degrees Celsius. Using the boiling water, it dissolves and removes dirt much more effectively. It literally melts away stubborn grease and 99% of mop stains. It also uses the new Ace Clean Dry Board, an integrated washboard with a 20 spray system that cleans the mops and washboard itself at the exact same time. After washing the mop pads, the dock uses hot air to rapidly dry the mops, which stops mildew and nasty odors before they even start. Next up, we'll talk about the vacuuming. The Matrix10 Pro packs 30,000 pascals of suction power. This is an absolute beast when it comes to picking up both large and small particles. I'm always dialing in my espresso machines and testing new gear, so spilled beans and stray coffee grounds are a daily occurrence around here. To test the suction, I scattered coffee beans on the carpet. The Matrix10 Pro easily sucked up the heavy whole beans without flicking them across the room with the side brush. Also spilled coffee grounds right next to the coffee machine in the kitchen, and this did a great job of picking that up as well. Speaking of tricky messes, the HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush is a huge upgrade. It uses a bristled rubber brush for hard floors to get dust out of crevices and a fully TPU soft rubber brush for carpets to lift embedded dirt. The brush is attached on one side and floats free on the other. As hair works its way down the brush, it sucks straight into the dustbin with that 30,000 pascal of suction power. This guarantees 100% hair removal with 0 tangled hair on the brush roll. The dual flex arm technologies ensures it gets into every corner. The side reach feature extends the side brush into tight corners, and the Mop Extend Robo Swing technology actually extends the mop pad up to 1.58 inches or 4 centimeters outward to clean right up against the baseboards and under low-profile furniture and appliances. When it comes to moving around your house, this vacuum treats navigation and obstacle avoidance as 2 distinct features. For navigation, it relies on the LDS to efficiently map and route its path. But for obstacle avoidance, it steps things up with a combination of 3D structured light, an AI camera, and an LED light. That AI camera specifically helps the robot recognize over 280 types of everyday objects on the floor, like stray cables and shoes, so it can maneuver around them without missing a beat. When it hits a carpet, it automatically detaches the mop pads at the base station to keep your rugs completely dry. As someone with 2 dogs running around the house, the pet-friendly care features on this are incredible. It generates pet activity hotspots automatically, boosting suction near pet beds, and captures photos to compile into auto-generated pet vlogs. You can even use pet finding mode to locate your furry friends and interact with them using built-in pet voice effects. Finally, the all-in-one multifunctional power dock means you barely have to lift a finger. You get up to 100 days of hands-free auto-emptying into a 3.2-liter dust bag. It has both a clean and used water tank and adds solution to the water automatically. Maintenance here is basically zero. Throw in a massive 6400 mAh battery that cleans for up to 260 minutes, plus voice control via Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home, and you really have the ultimate cleaning machine. If you're tired of dealing with pet hair tangles, or you just want a truly hands-free clean so you can actually enjoy your weekend without the chores, you need to put this to the test for yourself. You can find out more information about the Dreame Matrix10 Pro and grab one for yourself at the link in the description. There is a limited time deal alert right now, so be sure to check the latest discount before the price goes back up. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.